Flexible AI Upskilling Fund Application Guide. Part 1. Logging in and starting application. Step 1. Create a Gov. UK1 login. If you haven't got one already, you will need to create a gov.uk1 login. Step 2. Apply for Flexible AI Upskilling Fund Grant. Start new application. Part 2. Initial details. Step 3. Your organization type. Choose your application type. Step 4. Organization name. Enter the name of your organization. We recommend using the official name used in the business's company's house record. Step 5. Organization address. Enter your organization's address. Step 6. Company's house number. Enter company's house number, if you have one. Step 7. Charity commission number. Enter your charity commission number, if you have one. Step 8. Amount of funding applied for. Enter in the amount of grant funding you are applying for. The grant funding can be a maximum of 50% of the total cost of training, e.g. if taking a small package at £5,000, then you would enter £2,500 for this question. Step 9. Where grant will be spent. Select the location where the grant funding will be spent. You can choose more than one, if it is being spent in more than one location. Step 10. Confirm organization details. Ensure the following details about your organization are correct and up to date. Funding organizations will use this information to run checks that prevent fraud. Part 3. Eligibility. Step 11. Eligibility statement. Confirm your eligibility statement. Step 12. Confirm section completed. Part 4. Your organization. Step 13. Confirm your organization. Confirm the details of your organization as entered previously. Step 14. Funding. Confirm the amount and location funding is to be spent as correct. Note, the amount requested as a grant can be up to 50% of the total cost of identified training up to the maximum amounts set out below. For a business size classified as micro, the headcount is under 10, the turnover is under £2 million, and the balance sheet total is under £2 million. The maximum grant funding available per applicant is £2,500. For a business size classified as small, the headcount is under 50, the turnover is under £10 million, and the balance sheet total is under £10 million. The maximum grant funding available per applicant is £5,000. For a business size classified as medium, the headcount is under 250, the turnover is under £50 million, and the balance sheet total is under £43 million. The maximum grant funding available per applicant is £10,000. Part 5. General details. Step 15. Lead contact name. Enter the full name of the lead contact. Step 16. Lead contact role. Please provide the lead contact's job title, position in organization. Step 17. Lead contact email. Enter the email of the lead contact. Step 18. Lead contact phone. Enter the phone number of the lead contact. Step 19. Minimum financial assistance. Confirm that the business has not received over £315,000 in financial assistance from government subsidies in the last 3 years. Step 20. Minimum financial assistance, more info. Provide details of assistance received over the last 3 years. If none, then just enter not applicable. Step 21. Marketing source. Where did you hear about the AI Upskilling Fund pilot? Step 22. Marketing source, other. Provide details of where you heard about the grant if other, otherwise leave blank. Step 23. Confirm general details. Confirm general details entered so far and section complete. Part 6. Business eligibility. Step 24. Confirm number of employees. How many employees does your business employ? Step 25. Confirm organization turnover for last financial year. Step 26. Confirm balance sheet total for organization in last financial year. Hat was balance sheet total in pounds for your organization in the last financial year. Step 27. Confirm applicable SIC code. Enter the code most relevant for your business. M. Professional, scientific and technical activities. 69. Legal activities, accounting, bookkeeping and audit. 70. Activities of head offices, M. Management consultancy. 71. Architectural and engineering activities, technical testing and analysis. 72. Scientific research and development. 73. Advertising and market research. 74. Other professional, scientific and technical activities. N. Administrative and support service activities. 77. Rental and leasing activities. 78. Employment activities. 82. Office administration and other business support activities. Step 28. Confirm date of incorporation. Step 29. Confirm business eligibility details. Part 7. Training eligibility. Step 30. Training total cost. Enter in the total cost of training. AI Accelerator training packages are illustrated below for guidance. If you aren't sure about the cost of training you want to take, we suggest maximizing your grant application at this stage. Step 31. Confirm training meets criteria. In this section you must confirm that the training you have selected meets all the criteria below. 1. Relates to core AI skill sets and support the adoption of AI in the workplace. This means it covers at least one of the skills set out in Annex A. 2. Will start no earlier than the grant funding agreement signing, expected July 2024, and end no later than the 31st of March 2025. The grant cannot be used for retrospective activity. 3. YIL, be delivered by an eligible training provider. This is a provider that is UK-based and registered or accredited. Please see the guidance for further information. 4. Is not already being subsidized by government for employers. 5. Will not be delivered by your own company to your own employees. Note: AI Accelerator are an eligible training provider, both registered and accredited. Step 32. Skill sets covered. In this section you must tick at least one of the skill sets displayed. All AI Accelerator training covers the following skills as a minimum. Additional skills are covered in the training as required by customers. For the application we suggest at the least ticking the Artificial Intelligence option, AI Ethics, AI Risks, AI Safety, Artificial Intelligence, Generative Models. Step 33. Qualification level. All AI Accelerator training covers at least entry-level training. More details can be found here. For custom packages the qualification level may vary, however we suggest using the entry-level option for the application. Step 34. Training provider eligibility criteria. For this question you must indicate whether the training provider is eligible. The AI Accelerator is an eligible provider, being over a year old, registered on the UKPRN 100825516. For this question you can select either option for the AI Accelerator, but we suggest selecting the first option for simplicity. Step 35. Training provider name. Note: you need to provide the name and number of the training provider in this question. Provide the name of the training provider baachuworks Limited, for the AI Accelerator use, UKPRN 100825516. Step 36. Link to training provider. Provide a link to the training provider. If using the AI Accelerator we suggest using the following link, baachuworks.com. Step 37. Name of training course. Provide the name of the training course. For the AI Accelerator we suggest simply using the following: AI-powered professional, foundation, advanced, premium. Step 38. Link to training. Provide a link to the training course. For the AI Accelerator we suggest simply using the following. Step 39. Nature of training. Indicate the nature of the training. This will depend on your selected package. However, all packages include the AI-powered professional online course, which would count as an off-the-shelf training courses. Step 40. Length of training. The length of training will depend on the package selected, but most of our training is delivered in 1 to 20 days. Step 41. Purpose for training. Enter in the main purpose for the training. All the options best describe the AI-powered professional. Step 42. Skill level of employees undertaking training. Feel free to select the skill level you think is right. We find most people undertaking the AI Accelerator feel they are in the beginner band. Step 43. Trainee role level. Select the closest job role of the employees undertaking the AI Accelerator. AI Accelerator training is aimed at all employee levels. Step 44. Number of trainees. Indicate the number of employees who will be undertaking training in response to the scheme. Note: ensure that the total number of employees doesn't total more than the applicable number for your size of organization example. Certainly, a micro business has a headcount of 1 to 9 employees, a small business has a headcount of 10 to 49 employees, and a medium-sized business has a headcount of 50 to 249 employees. Part 8. Proposal outline. Step 45. Proposal. In this section, applicants are asked to provide an overview of your organization's current AI adoption and skill level, along with any challenges your organization is facing in this area, including 1. What your organization is and does. 2. The level of knowledge of AI in your employees and business overall. You may use the following framework for reference. 1. Expert. Your employees have a deep knowledge and can design and implement AI solutions. 2. Advanced. Your employees are proficient and able to handle complex scenarios with AI. 3. Intermediate. Your employees are comfortable using AI for routine tasks. 4. Beginner. Your employees have a basic understanding of AI but don't use it very much. 5. Novice. Your employees have limited or no experience with the technology. 3. Existing technology adoption and AI adoption within your business. 4. What barriers, if any, you currently face on upskilling employees in AI. 5. Any training on AI or other relevant training that has already been delivered to employees within the business. If you want support in filling the form and generating your own proposal statement, please reach out to hello@baachu.com. Step 46. How will training mitigate these issues? In this section, applicants are asked to provide an overview of how you anticipate this training supporting your business responding to the challenges identified, including 1. What AI skills your employees will have after completing the training that they did not have before. 2. How the AI skills training will enable your business to adopt AI. 3. Which business areas or functions will the AI training support? For example, marketing and sales, service operations, customer services, strategy and corporate finance, HR, supply chain management, manufacturing, IT, and business planning. 4. What does success look like in terms of completing and using the skills learned from the training, and how will you measure this? For example, are there specific AI-driven products or services you intend to procure following the training, e.g. chatbots, business forecasting, personalized marketing, fraud detection and prevention, optimizing supply chains, dynamic price optimization, pattern and image detection, customer segmentation, reducing repetitive tasks, and improving business efficiency, enhancing R&D, AI image generation. Part 9. Review and submit. Once completed, you can check all of your answers and submit your application. If you want help to check your application, feel free to reach out to us. We are happy to jump on a call and check your application. Please note that due to demand, it is possible that not all applications will be successful. If there are more submissions than available funding for each type of business size, the grant award may be subject to a lottery approach. Baachu take no responsibility for the success or otherwise of any application. However, we are happy to help you with your application in any way we can.